Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm going to walk you through the absolute best and most cost-effective way to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. If you're new to the platform, you might be using the simple mobile or web interface, but trust me, there's a pro tip for serious savings. I've been using Gemini for years, and switching to this method made a huge difference in my transaction costs. Step 1. Account Setup, Quick Review. First off, I'm assuming you've already completed the basics. Signed up for your Gemini account. Verified your identity, KYC. Linked your bank account for USD deposits. If you haven't, pause, do that, and make sure your bank transfer has cleared. Once you see the funds in your account, you're ready for the secret weapon. Step 2. The secret weapon, Active Trader. The best way to buy Bitcoin on Gemini is by not using their main, simple buy interface. That platform charges higher, tiered fees, sometimes up to 1.49% or more. Instead, you need to use the Active Trader platform. If you're on the website, look for a toggle or selection in your settings or under the trade menu to switch to Active Trader. On the mobile app, you usually have to enable it in the settings. Why Active Trader is the best way? It's designed for more serious traders and uses a maker/taker fee structure that is significantly cheaper. We're talking fees as low as 0.4% for takers and even lower for makers, depending on your 30-day volume. Huge difference. Step 3. Placing your order, limit order tutorial. Now that we're on Active Trader, here's the straightforward process to execute your trade. Select the pair, make sure you've selected the correct trading pair, usually BTC/USD. Choose your order type. You have two main, simple options. Market order. This buys your Bitcoin instantly at the best available price. It's fast, but it makes you a taker, meaning you pay the slightly higher taker fee, still cheaper than the standard platform. Limit order. My recommendation, this is where I save the most money. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you are willing to pay. If your order is not immediately filled, you become a maker, and you pay the lowest possible maker fee. Set the price and amount. I typically set my limit price just slightly below the current market price. I then enter the USD amount I want to spend or the BTC amount I want to buy. Review and confirm. You'll see the estimated fee before you submit. It will be much lower than the standard platform fee. Hit Place Buy Order. Step 4. Security Best Practices. Finally, a quick but crucial word on best practices, because security is why I chose Gemini in the first place. 2FA is mandatory. Never disable your two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's your primary defense. Cold storage. For any significant amount of Bitcoin, you shouldn't leave it on the exchange. I personally use a hardware wallet and recommend moving your Bitcoin to self-custody after your purchase settles. Not your keys, not your coin, remember that. Conclusion and call to action. So, to sum it up, the best way to buy Bitcoin on Gemini is by using the Active Trader platform and placing a limit order to minimize your transaction fees. It's a slightly different interface, but those savings really add up over time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you save some money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point crypto guides. See you in my next video.